it's your girl Victoria John. I'm here for a bigger plan. I'm gonna call my friend because I'm alone, I'm bored, okay? And when getting here, I'm gonna set fire alarm for them and pretend like the building is getting on fire, you understand? Let me see their reaction. I'm about to call her now. Okay? I'm gonna put it on loudspeaker. I did. Where you did?
I did.
Come my side now. I prepare food. I prepare shisha, and I get drink for us. I swear. You want me to take picture? You want me to take picture? I prepare fried rice now. I don't feel like for that one now. I prepare and I buy drink. Yes, I buy drink. Carry your friend. Come. I even buy shisha flavor. I buy shisha flavor. The mentor. Yes.
Okay, now they come.
How many minutes?
Just 5 minutes.
You sure?
Yes.
I told you she would come. Hi, baby.
Wow, Victoria. What's up now? What's the apple? Where the rice?
I want come for drink. I don't want that for food.
You're fast and you're hungry,
now. Now see your life here.
And I won't be eat for us before. Sure. I have no big food. I won't eat.
I mean that food.
Yes.
Don't worry. I make I call for food.
Yeah, I call. I beg. 4 person will call fence. I didn't get that. What is that?
Hi guys, thank you for watching. Hope you had fun. Don't forget to subscribe. Look at them.
Anyway, it was fun. Subscribe.
You have to massage your leg.
See you
Look at my body spinning me. I beg. Carry your YouTube. They go. I beg. I dey vex. I beg. I'm not happy. I beg.
Yeah, sorry.
Subscribe to our YouTube.
Subscribe.
Sorry,
See you
okay.
next time, baby.
Sorry, okay.